फ्रेंड्स, आपको इस वीडियो में खुशामदीद कहते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम जो आज ईएससी इंग्लिश का पीपीएससी के थ्रू टेस्ट हुआ है उसके चंद सवाल सोशल मीडिया से हमने इकट्ठे किए हैं, वो आपकी खिदमत में पेश करते हैं। पहला सवाल था, हु इज़ क्रेडिट विद प्रेजेंटिंग द स्पीच एक्ट थ्योरी। तो इसका आंसर था J.L. ऑस्टिन, जॉन लैंगशो ऑस्टिन। अगला सवाल, English belongs to which specific family of languages? Its answer is the Germanic language family. Next question, in the context of management and education, what does theory Y represent? Its answer, the assumptions that employees are self-motivated, seek responsibility and exercise self-direction. Next question, which influential educator is best known for introducing the concept of learning by doing or progressive education? Its answer, John Dewey. Next question, what is the considered an important component of the teaching process according to the source material? Its answer is evaluation. The act of editing is designed to show information back, retrospective or revision based. Next question, what is the primary demand of characteristic of modern education? Its answer is a learner-centered approach or student-centered learning. Next question, अगला क्वेश्चन था, the verb be can function similarly to a infinitive in specific grammatical structures. Its answer is bear, an infinitive without to. Grammar, what classification of noun in the word justice? Abstract noun था ये. Next question, within educational policy frameworks, what does the acronym NEP typically refer to? National Education Policy. What is a Bloom taxonomy used to classify as an educational setting? Its answer, educational learning objectives into levels of complexity and specificity. Assessment to conduct specifically during a lecture or lesson is often referred to as formative evaluation or ongoing assessment. Etymology, the word syllabus has linguistic roots in which two ancient languages, Greek and Latin. According to the notes, what is the primary goal of the first day in class? Introduction. What is the grammatical equivalent of the phrase in spite of of that does not require the word of despite? What is the primary focus of educational psychology? The study of how humans learn in educational setting and the effectiveness of educational interventions. Neuroscience, in education, the hippocampus is primarily responsible for which cognitive function? Memory formation and spatial navigation. Linguistic, what is the term for word formed from the initial letters of name or phrase? Acronym. Phonology, for the word conduct used as a noun, where is the primary stress placed? On the first syllable, conduct. For the word conduct used as a verb, where is the primary stress placed? On the second syllable, conduct. What is the purpose of an issue question in the testing environment? To confirm information or check for understanding by repeating a portion of the speaker's statement. What is phoneme? The smallest unit of sound in a language that can distinguish one word from another. What does describing a vowel involve in phonetics? Its answer is analyzing tongue height, tongue backness, and lip rounding. What are homonyms? A word that share the same spelling or pronunciation but have different meanings. Vocabulary provide a common synonym for the word absurd, ridiculous, preposterous. Vocabulary provide common antonym for the word amiable, unfriendly, or hostile. What is the literal meaning of the term kindergarten? Children garden. Etymology: the word language is derived from dash root word. Latin, specifically lingua, meaning tongue. In linguistics, what does the term colloque refer to in the context of speech? A group of people hired to applaud a performance, often used metaphorically for artificial speech reinforcement. What is the relationship between syllabus and curriculum? A syllabus is a specific document for a course, while curriculum is the board of set courses and content offered by an institution.